Hello, I'm Scartings here with NBC Backwards Nightly News. I'm here with a real live gangster thug to conduct an interview on why he does the things he does. Sir, introduce yourself.
It's rolling.
Yes, it's rolling.
My 15 second.
Introduce yourself, sir.
It's Miggity Mac. Get back, get smacked with the click clap. Like that. Put the hole on the
Thank
pole.
you, sir. Thank
Look,
you.
I
Thank
ain't
you for
done
that
yet.
wonderful
Put
introduction.
the hole on the
Thank you,
pole
sir.
and-
Sir, you cannot have the weapon in the studio. You're
I
going
don't
to have
care
to put
what
it
the
up.
fuck I can have, nigga. It's my gat, nigga.
You're
It's
gonna-
I'm gonna need you to give me the weapon.
Sir,
Fuck you,
Sir,
get back.
Sir,
Just keep the weapon.
I'll
Just keep the weapon.
pop
Just
this
keep it low.
Keep
Just
it-
keep it low.
Just keep the weapon concealed, sir. Thank you.
It's
Okay,
not
keep it low,
motherfucking
sir.
weapon.
Keep it low.
It's
Please
Marilyn
do not
Monroe.
wave
Keep
the weapon,
Marilyn
sir.
Monroe low. Thank you.
Marilyn.
So, first
Hold on,
question,
bro.
Miggity Mac. Miggity Mac, what part of the city are you from?
From that east side, we ride out, nigga.
The east side of the city. So, what hospital were you born in?
You think I'm stupid.
No, sir, I'm asking what hospital you were born in.
That, Joe St. Elijah.
St. Joseph? East?
That motherfucker right there.
So you are from the east side. I was making sure because
Yeah.
you don't seem like you would know where you're from.
Say something one more time.
Thank you.
Marilyn.
Next question. So,
Yeah,
have you ever been incarcerated, sir?
Yeah, nigga.
For what?
Fuck
Offenses?
you mean?
What offenses, sir?
Nigga. Rape.
Rape.
Motherfucking assaulting an officer. 3 officers. Battery. Motherfucking Grand Theft Auto. Matter of fact, nah, nigga, this what it was. My motherfucking nigga, the nigga I thought I loved,
Yeah.
took my motherfucking core. So I went back to take the core back. Turned out that motherfucker was a detective. Nigga, the whole time I thought that nigga was my nigga, my ride or die.
Sir, you
nigga.
cannot say so much curse words on the show.
Can't y'all edit this shit out,
This
nigga?
is live, sir.
Well, I'm real. I keep it 100, nigga.
Thank
I
you,
keep
sir,
it gutter, nigga. You
This
feel
is
me,
live
nigga?
television. People are concerned.
Like I was saying, educated black man. That nigga stole my shit, so I stole it back. Them
Not curse.
people, the black people,
Thank you, sir.
fuck this shit. No, look, nigga, let me tell you something. Next time you tell me I can't cuss, this motherfucker gonna bust.
I'm
You
sure.
feel me?
I'm sure. Of course, it's gonna bust. So, next question.
Yeah, nigga.
So you said you've committed rape
Yeah.
before. Right? You know that is a serious offense.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
You raped a woman or a man?
Nah, nigga, I raped a prostitute. That's neither man or woman. That's a hoe.
How would you rape a prostitute if she's willingly giving you?
Well, she
Her body.
gave me the kitty cat, one good time on the back, but I ain't pay her like that.
Oh, so you
So
asked.
she accused me. Guess what her name was, nigga? Marilyn Monroe. Leads me to my next,
Can you
nigga.
put the gun down, sir? This is
I'ma
the second
keep it.
time I've asked you.
Well, let me tell you something. That one story.
Sir,
that
I'm
was-
not here to play games with you.
Well, this
I'm
bitch.
from the west side, but I came out of the gutter and got an education. I will you up.
Nigga, you ain't like me.
Relax and let me give you the interview.
Fuck you mean, nigga? I'm a
gun. God damn it. Stupid ass NBC give me these fucking nut jobs.
motherfucking nigga.
Listen, sir.
Take my shit.
That's a Colts jersey, am I correct?
Something, nigga. I stole it.
Shit's ridiculous.
Hell yeah, nigga. We do it every day, thug life.
You know you're not matching.
Sir, can you quit cussing, please?
Shit. Man, I ain't feeling this interview.
I'm not
Got me
doing
all
this shit.
jittery and shit.
I'm not doing it.
Where you going, mother? Shit. This nigga. Fuck back, nigga.
Nigga going booty ball.
Damn it. Fucking bitches.
Motherfucker.
Good idea.